channel. Today we're gonna be unboxing Greedy Granny. Hope you enjoy this video. Hey guys, this is how the box looks. And it's for ages 4 and up, and there could be 2 or more players.
Guys, I'm so excited. I hope it doesn't pop on me.
Let's get opening. Okay, so you could open it. You could do the honors of opening the box. And you could take everything out. You don't mind taking everything out for us? Okay, I'll help with that. I'll open.
You open that one out.
Okay, I'll open this one, guys. This is Granny.
And this is Granny's chair. And this is Granny's legs, and then this is the button.
For her chair. Okay, so we got Granny. We got Granny here.
Can you open this?
To get the other stuff out.
And this is her cookies.
Yeah.
What else is in the box?
This is how it looks.
And what? And this is the spinner.
This is how it looks.
What's the teeth?
Her teeth is in here, and here's the spinner, guys. So you mind opening that?
I can put this on.
You want to assemble that? Okay, I'll
So
open it.
then you got this. There you go.
Guys, the way this game works is try not to wake Granny. So you have this spinner here. If you land on this, that means you have to push the button 3 times and take 1 cookie from Granny's tray. And the amount of times you push the button, Granny will end up popping to scare you. So let's get started. Here's the young gay, so she's gonna spin first. She got 2 times, so push the button 2 times. And take a cookie. Okay, now my turn. Miss a turn. Miss a turn. Go. 1 time. That scared me. You have to put all your cookies back.
Oh no!
Okay, let's set Granny back to sleep.
You guys, I love.
Okay, Granny, you can see that you're not sleeping,
angry.
so
I'm angry, guys.
her cookie goes back in the tray. Okay, so now I'm gonna go first, so she lost that one.
Oh, there's a cookie that's not in.
Ooh, 2 times. 1, 2. I'll just take the cookie that's left. Okay.
Uh-oh. That was that.
2 times. My turn. Sorry. 2 times. 1, 2. Phew, I thought Granny was gonna pop up there for a second, guys.
My turn.
1 time.
1.
The cookie. So far, we're doing good, guys.
2.
2. 1, 2. Now we're gonna take this yellow cookie. Okay. 1.
It's all to me. And
Yay!
seriously,
So Sierra
guys,
took all
I'm
her.
really bad.
Yes.
Still angry.
So far, I have 3 points, and Sierra
Have
0.
1. I'm sad.
Yeah, 0 points because you lost all your cookies.
I know.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
She has 3 and I have 0.
2. I thought it was my turn. 1, 2. Take a blue cookie.
Oh my god. Uh-oh.
1. Take a cookie. Go. Up. 1. Take a pretzel.
I don't even know.
So far, guys, I have all the cookies that comes in Granny's tray.
3.
I have this one.
Why do I know? So far, Leah's winning.
I don't think you're gonna win.
I know, I have 0.
Okay, I'll let you go first since you've been losing a lot this time. 3 times. 3 times. 1, 2. No. Okay, guys, as you can see me, I'm putting all the cookies back.
Take 1.
there, Granny. You have all your cookies.
You have
Here, I'll just
season
put some.
salad.
I'll just put some here. Okay. Yeah, I'll go first since I lost. 1. I'll take that cookie back. 3. Three times. I don't like this. 1, 2, 3. I thought it's gonna pop up.
I'm very scared about this.
Put it here where they can see it. Spin.
I'm
Now
scared
hold
about
it.
this.
Just spin. She got 2. She almost got me a turn. Okay, let's put her back to sleep. Let's put all your cookies back. See, Granny? You're seeing us putting your cookies back, so you won't think we're keeping it. Oh, okay, I'll go. 2, 1, 2. Okay, I'm gonna take a pretzel. I have to throw a pretzel. 1. I hope we just keep getting 1. 2.
No cookies fell out.
I know, but I still have to put all my cookies back. That scared me this time.
I
guys.
know that.
I was not as I pressed it the first time, as I pressed it the second time, it took a while for it to pop up.
That scared me.
Okay, Granny, your
guys.
cookies are gonna go here. They can't fit in
I
your
have
tray.
1.
Okay, here you go. That's 3.
3. Pencil.
Okay, I hope I don't get a 3. 1. I'll take my pretzel. Okay. I'm getting scared now, guys. 1. Okay, hope we keep getting 1. 3. 1, 2, 3.
You're lucky.
Now she's catching up. 1. You have to put your cookies. Sierra lost the challenge. You know what that means? She has to eat barbecue sauce. Let us know down in the comments below how many of you guys like barbecue sauce.
Last time I had to say ketchup. That was the worst.
Are you happy? Okay, I'm pouring the barbecue sauce on. Okay, that should be enough. There you go, you have to eat all that. You have to swallow it. Okay guys, we're gonna be talking about the things we didn't like about it and the things we liked about it. So the thing I like is about it, it's fun. It scares you. It doesn't let you know when you're gonna get popped. What did you like about it?
I liked about it was fun. And the part that I keep on.
She keeps on waking Granny. Okay guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye.